Hello guys, welcome back to new video. Guys, this video is very important for the candidate who have registered for Revacher Drive, and in this video we are going to cover a couple of important updates regarding to Revacher emails and regarding to Revacher selection process after assessment. So I request you to watch this video carefully. This is going to be very informative video. So whenever you have registered for the Revacher, I hope you will get this email. This is like that: thank you for your interest with Revacher, we will follow up with you shortly. Okay, this is the first mail candidates are getting after registering for the Revacher. Okay, so after that people are getting this email. This is a assessment email people are getting. Like you can see that Revacher hiring update, upcoming online assessment topic to prepare. Okay, so here you can see that. Let me show the another email. Here they have sent greeting from Revacher. We are excited to inform you about the first step in our hiring process, an online assessment designed to evaluate your skill and knowledge. Okay, so we will update you on the date of assessment in our subsequent communication. Okay, so to help you prepare effectively succeed, we want to give you a head up on topics that will be covered in the assessment. As you can see that before sending assessment link, they are sending the detail that need to be prepared before assessment. Okay, so they are sending this kind of syllabus for the assessment. As you can see that, so in the assessment you gonna see a problem solving that is based on quantitative analysis, detail oriented reasoning ability, and syllogism and data interruption. Okay, after that you gonna see a technical evaluation that contain ops, data structure, SQL, JavaScript fundamental, CSS and HTML. For both of these section you gonna see MCQ questions. Okay, because here you can see the coding challenge 1 and coding challenge 2. So coding challenge is different and these two sections are MCQ section, I hope. Okay, so and talking about the coding challenge 1 is will be one of the preferred language from this. You can use C, C++, C Sharp, Java, Python for the coding challenge 1. Okay, and next coding challenge is going to be SQLite. So where you need to solve any database query or any database schema, as you guys already know. And next you're gonna see personality test, psychometric assessment it will be, and final will be written communication in the assessment. Okay, essay writing. Okay, so let me clear one thing. This is just a email that have topics to prepare before submitting the assessment. So people are getting this email before the assessment email. This is the important thing that you need to know. This is just a topic to prepare, and let me show you the email that people are getting for the assessment link. Okay, this kind of email candidates are getting from Revacher for the online programming assessment. As you can see that here is written: dear candidate, greetings from Revacher, please find the link for the online assessment below, and assessment is open till 16 June Sunday. Okay, 11:59 p.m. So I hope you are getting updates from Revacher like these emails, like this email, and then you are supposed to get this topics to prepare email from Revacher, and you get to know everything related to assessment. And after that you should get this email. Okay, if you did not receive, you can wait, and everything is going to be happening in June only. And I hope I have cleared your doubts related to Revacher online assessment things and links. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.